How much does flood damage car repair cost? Have you ever wondered how much it costs to repair a car damaged by flooding? The answer can vary quite a bit based on several factors. Flood damage can affect different parts of a vehicle, including the electrical system, engine, transmission, and interior. When water seeps into these critical areas, repairs can become quite expensive. If you have comprehensive coverage on your auto insurance policy, you may be in luck. This type of coverage protects against damage from natural events like flooding. However, if you only have collision coverage, you might find yourself paying out of pocket for repairs. Collision coverage typically does not cover flood damage, as it focuses on accidents involving other vehicles or objects. Now let's talk numbers. Repair costs for flood-damaged cars can range widely. For minor water intrusion, you might only need to pay a few $100s for cleaning and drying. However, if major components like the engine or transmission are affected, costs can soar into the thousands. In some cases, the damage can be so severe that the car is declared a total loss. This means the cost to repair exceeds the car's actual cash value. When your vehicle is totaled, your insurance company will usually pay you the actual cash value of the car minus your deductible. For instance, if your deductible is $500 and the repair estimate is for $1,000, you would pay $500, and your insurer would cover the remaining $3,500. It's essential to understand your deductible because it determines how much you will pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. If you live in an area prone to flooding, having comprehensive coverage is a smart move. It can save you from hefty repair bills and financial stress. In summary, flood damage repair costs can range from minor expenses to significant amounts depending on the damage's severity. Comprehensive coverage is necessary for insurance to cover flood damage repairs. Without it, you will be responsible for all repair costs. Understanding your insurance policy and deductible can help you prepare for potential flood-related car repairs.